Dear God.
This is Virgil Ware, drawings in progress. So before I got home earlier, it was just the first stage in pencil I did a few days ago. And then after I got home, I worked on it for about an hour and a half drawing dots with black India ink.
Yes.
Virgil Ware was one of two. I think the other boy was also 13. He was 13. He was slain by two 16-year-old white youth in Birmingham, Alabama, the same afternoon of the church bombing, where Denise and her three friends were murdered.
Oh my God, there were more people killed.
African American,
murdered. Yeah, more African Americans.
So these two boys, one had a gun. They were out biking and they saw Virgil Ware, and one with the gun gave the gun to the other boy, and he shot him and he died. They were sentenced to something like, I don't know, 8 months in jail, but the sentence, they never served any prison time. They might even still be alive now. Anyway, they would be, let's see, I'm 74, they would be 77 if around.
Yes.
Anyway, so this
frame,
I liked it because it made me think of like an old school.
It's what
something.
I think of.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it'll fit in there nicely.
Yes.
I cleaned the mirror before you got here.
Yeah.
Which, if it's exhibited, when it's exhibited, people can self-reflect. They'll see themselves.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Good job. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yes.
Anyway, the frame fits flush. It's the same width back to front as the frame that Denise McNair and the.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm gonna mount. I might actually mount it on the right side there.
Yes.
Flush, and then I'll add plywood on the back, so it'll be one kind of longer piece in terms of left to right, right to left width.
Yes.
Anyway, and I haven't decided. I may draw a wing, but I may draw another allegorical sea monster.
His name again is Edwin Ware?
Virgil.
Virgil Ware.
W-A-R-E.
Yes.
You can look him up on the internet. Yeah.
Dear God. Murdered just for being there.
Just for being black.
Yeah.
Thank you, Reverend.
You're welcome.
You want to add anything else?
Oh. I don't know what to say just now.
That's fine. Thank you.
I'm
going to turn it off then.
Sure.